Use simple language, simple presentation method so that he can understand. Use a lot of visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say. Make him understand. That will make him understand what you're trying to say. Hi friends, here I'm going to share with you some epic tips to make your startup pitch presentation stand out. I have often shared what should your startup presentation pitch should contain. But let me tell you some other tips which will make your presentation stand out. Number one thing is, you should always start with a hook. It is true not only with a startup pitch, but also with any talk that you are giving anywhere. A hook will grab the attention of the listener, of the VCs or the investors or whomever you are addressing. Always a story, an emotional connect is always a good way to start your presentation. So avoid using many technical jargons. Make him understand what you are trying to say. So use simple language, simple presentation method so that he can understand. Use a lot of visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say. Make him understand. That will make him understand what you're trying to say. Investors often invest in the passion of the founder. I have often heard from investors, and I've seen it myself, that we don't fund the companies, we fund in the people. So your passion will help him get convinced more than all the technical and all the problem-solving statements you are going to make. So show your passion, don't hide it. And other tips I can give you is be concise. If you go on and on about how you are trying to solve this problem, he'll get bored. Catching his attention or keeping his attention all the time on you, on the message, is an important. And also showcase your team. It's not a single person that they are investing in, it's in the team. And show your traction. Don't hide your traction if you have some in the market, because that will help him convince himself that he's not going to be alone if he invests in you. And last but not the least, practice, practice, and practice. Practice your pitch in front of the mirror, practice your pitch in front of other founders, in front of your spouse, friends, other employees, and other smaller investors before you go to the big fish. Because it's a practice that will make you perfect. If you are preparing a presentation the night before the big presentation in front of a partnership, recipe for failure. Be prepared few days before and then spend next 2-3 days in practicing. Then you will be ready to make the big presentation. I hope these tips will be helpful to you and you will succeed in convincing anybody after this. Thank you.